Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Chrysler Touring L. You can see with the key fob I can operate both sliding doors and the power trunk lid. This is a manual rear entry conversion, very easy to operate. I can do the entire conversion using only 2 fingers. It's got a handle on either side. These clamps keep the ramp from rattling. You can take it down using only my index finger. Check that out. Very easy to do, 34-inch wide ramp. 4 inches wider than the side entries. That's a nice thing to have. The ramp does taper down where the ramp sets to just over 33 inches of space here at the base. A 33-inch wide there at the base. 8 tie down points. You can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Got your power trunk latch there. Headliner looks good. Rear air controls. Plenty of plug-ins for your electronics back here. Cup holders. Between those 2 seats, there's about 22 inches of room. So what you can do is the chair will roll up in between here. If it's under 22 inches, go all the way up. If it's just the legs sit in between the chairs, the person will sit slightly behind the chairs. We can take one chair out to make more room. We can put flip base seats in here possibly. So let us know what you need. There's no one size fits all. You can see the USB ports back there also for the plug-ins. Dash looks to be in great condition. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Put your backup camera there, dual climate control, rear air. More electronic plug-ins down here. Very nice center console. Hey, if you're going to use this van for a taxi, you can turn the power buttons off there. It becomes a manual sliding door. So you can slide them open and shut real fast if you need to. So that's an option you have with the touch of a button. We give a free pull-tight Q-straight tie-downs away with each van. So when you got everybody secure, come back out, lift with one finger there, put it all back together, and you're ready to go. Shut her down. This van has 4 brand new Yokohama tires on it. And we did not skimp. We went with nice, expensive name brand tire. Tinted windows, very clean alloy wheels. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling, need a little bit of extra space. The body's very clean. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's very nice, but it's very well taken care of. It is hard to find a dent or a scratch in this thing. Super clean van. Been very well taken care of. As I get in the interior, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Also, we'd like to show you the VIN number. That way you know I have this vehicle in my possession. Speaking of that VIN number, we give a free Carfax report with every vehicle on our website. No accidents or damage, 1 owner. Got Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They guarantee no total loss, no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. No accidents. Got the manufacturer's recall. Also shows the warranty on here. The 3-month 36,000 has expired. Still has the 6-month 60,000 mile powered 60-month 60,000 mile powertrain warranty according to Carfax there. So we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. Another great feature on this van, got the auto start. Don't think that's just a wintertime thing. Of course it's nice to come out in the wintertime to nice defrosted windows, yeah, but it's really nice in the summertime too. If you're coming out in air conditioning, have these nice leather seats, have them nice and cooled off, so that's a great feature to have. Alright, as far as the rest of the interior on the van, it's got the nice leather interior, got the electric driver's seat there, everything works fine. Everything looks good on the interior. Got the rear seats here. They look like they've hardly ever been sat in. Very clean inside and out. I'm going to show you the passenger side as well, get you a nice close-up. Got the passenger power seat there as well. Also comes with a user's guide, 1 key there. If you do want additional key, those can come on your dime, but it does just come with the 1 key. Okay, this van has the push button start, so if it's in your pocket or your purse, come on in, push the button, fires right up. That's what he's waiting. 24,982 miles. You can see there's no dummy lights on. No check engine lights, no airbag lights. So again, exactly what we're looking for. Got our backup camera here. It's got all your apps and everything on there as well. We pop the hood here so we can listen to it run. But my mechanics, I employ 3 of them. We've checked everything big and small. Got power mirrors, power locks, heat, air, cruise. We've touched every button on this van. The rear window's back there. So this is not some van you come look at or some van that we send out to you. It's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. I don't do business like that. I've got much. I'm selling vans. I'm not trying to hide things from you. I want you to see exactly what I see. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. I don't see any signs of any damage. I don't see any signs of any leaks. I don't see any signs of like rust from an accident, from a flood or anything like that. Underneath is much of the same. Very clean. I don't see any signs of any bent metal or anything. Everything looks good. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's low miles, they assume because it looks nice in pictures, they assume that it runs and drives good. They'd assume that it's not all rusted out. And go look at our competition's website. Go, feel free. Go check out our competition. And I want to ask you, how often do they show you the undercarriage? Much less make a video of it. Look at that van. Look how clean that is. So when you assume things, you get burnt. You don't demand a detailed video like this. 80% of the time, at least, the vehicle's going to show up. It's not going to be what you expected. So people get burned on the internet every day with their life savings. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video like this. And if they won't send you a detailed video, who you're buying from and what are they really trying to sell you? So buyer beware. I've been doing this 10 years, folks. I demand that detailed video. So let me get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive. Get them out, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run and feel the transmission shift through all the gears. And whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noise. All exactly what we're looking for. With that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. I highly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. Talk to me about those. Protect your investment, folks. That's the best advice I can give you. Also keep in mind we've got a great reputation. Nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. Free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, detailed videos, a detailed description. And by the way, last I saw on Google, we have 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. The last I saw on eBay, we have over 800 transactions, and everybody left us positive feedback. That's 800 people plus said Affordable Mobility Solutions did me right. 0 people said we did them wrong. I'd say that's pretty darn good. Also, we do not have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they don't tell you about, they're trying to be sneaky. They're trying to get you to call. They're trying to get you to come in. They want to talk to you. They want to sell you the vehicle. Our vehicles sell themselves, but what they don't tell you about is the administrative fee, dock fee, tag fees. Next thing you know, you got $1,500 in fees. And then you got to factor in shipping. Shipping's not free with these other guys. Next thing you know, that real nice price to get it to your door is $2,000 or $3,000 more. And my question to you, if someone's not going to be honest about the real price, if the van says $30,000, other than sales tax, the van needs to be $30,000, not $30,000 plus $1,500 in hidden fees. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So exactly what we want. Back to my point, if someone's not being upfront about the price, what else are they hiding? Are they hiding an accident? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding title issues? If someone's being deceitful right off the bat, do you think they're going to continue to do that? Or are they going to be up and honest with you and tell you about the little problems the vehicle has? So that's for you to decide. And hey, if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to try that with Mobility Works or VMI or one of the big Braun companies, United Access, Freedom Motors. Give them a call. Say, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Try it. See what they say. I'd be interested to find out. And hey, if you need financing, we can take an application over the phone if you're old school. But also if you've got the internet on your phone or email, we can send you an application to your phone or email. We do take trade-ins. Talk to us about those. Let us know how we can help. One other great feature about this van, got the lane departure. So if someone's in my, see that little triangle over there? If someone's in my blind spot, it actually beeps at me, lets me know somebody's over there when I'm trying to turn over. So check out our website, mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Carfax reports, detailed videos, and dozens of pictures with every vehicle. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.